Hi, welcome to AR Workshop Cincinnati. So happy you're here. I'm Katie, and I'm going to give you a tour of our space that hopefully inspires you to come and create with us. AR Workshop is a DIY boutique where you can come and create charming and unique home decor. So let's go check it out. This is our paint bar, and it has all of our different paints and stains you can choose from. You don't need to know your colors before you come in. Our instructors can help you pick them out. We have over 60 different colors and 6 different stains for you to choose from. Guys, we have so many different types of projects to choose from. Plank wood signs, frame wood signs, centerpiece boxes, projects out of canvas, and we have hundreds of designs to choose from as well. And the best part is you and your friends can each do something different. So while you're making something for your wedding, someone else can be making something for their home. At AR Workshop, you can bring a snack or a spread to enjoy while you're working. Thanks for touring the shop with me. I hope you got inspired. Look forward to seeing you at AR Workshop Cincinnati in Hyde Park Square soon.